We've got an LS1 Gen 3 5.7 here. Some lifter noise. We're going to pull the lifters out and have a look. If you've never seen inside a Gen 3 or an LS and where the lifters live, I'll show you exactly where they live. So as you can see, I've removed the bonnet, makes it easier to get around things. And without the turtle shell on there, it's a pretty wicked looking mess under there, so you understand why they put those covers over. But we'll start by removing the inlet manifold here, the coil packs, the rocker covers, and I'll show you what we got when we get to that stage. So there we have it. We've removed the steering pump. We've taken the manifold off. You leave the injectors in, the throttle body on it. And what have we got when we look up here? These two things here, these are the knock sensors. At the back, you've got a cam sensor. I don't know what happened there. So, here we have the knock sensors. Cam sensor, the back there. Oil pressure switch. So what we're going to do next is we're going to pull this middle cover off, this plate. We've got the spark plugs out. The manifolds are loose. And then we'll proceed to remove the cylinder heads. So there we are with the valley plate off, and you can see why you've got to pull the heads off to get the lifters out of it, because that's all you can see with the cam. Access to the lifters is 0. So we'll proceed to whip a head off and give you a look in there. And so now we've got the two heads off it, and this is what holds the lifters in, this little schmozzle. So we undo this. Just give you a quick squeeze. Up. And that comes out. That's what holds them, lines everything up. And I'll get a lifter out and I'll give you a look and see if we can find the one that, or the couple that are the worst. So here we are. That's how they held in the engine. And what happens is they get play in there.
Too big of one.
Most of those aren't too bad, but this one here's got a lot of movement, so we're going to replace all of them. A little bit of a
baby one.
Journey. We'll leave you at that, guys. Have yourself a good one. Tune in next week. We'll put this thing all back together again. Have a good one. Cheers.